Let me share with you how to make a wonderfully fluffy chiffon cake using just your air fryer. This recipe is beautifully simple and delivers a result that feels both special and comforting. To begin, you will need just a few simple items. Please have 3 large eggs, 1 generous tablespoon of milk, and half of a standard 400-gram package of cake mix ready. Take a clean glass bowl and crack the 3 eggs into it. Add the milk and the cake mix. Using a whisk or a pair of chopsticks, stir everything together. Continue to mix the ingredients until they are fully combined. You are looking for a smooth, consistent batter that is free of lumps. This is the foundation of a light and tender cake. Pour the smooth batter into a cake pan that is safe for your air fryer. Gently tap the pan on your countertop several times. This important step helps to release any large air bubbles trapped in the batter. For a simple yet beautiful finish, lightly drizzle about 1 tablespoon of beaten egg yolk over the surface of the batter. Then, take a chopstick and gently swirl it through the yolk to create a lovely marbled pattern. Carefully place the cake pan into the air fryer basket. Close the air fryer and set the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius. Set the timer for 30 minutes and let the appliance work its magic. As the cake bakes, your kitchen will begin to fill with a warm, sweet and inviting aroma. This is the sign that something wonderful is coming together. Once the timer goes off, carefully open the air fryer. You'll be greeted by a cake that has risen beautifully and has a lovely golden color. Gently remove the cake from the pan once it has cooled slightly. You will find it to be incredibly light, soft and tender. This simple process creates a truly delightful treat that is perfect for sharing or enjoying all by yourself. It is a wonderful little achievement,